Good morning! Today we're gonna make
Freddo espresso.
We promised it from last year. I had short hair.
And I had dark hair.
Yes, but it's never too late. And it's never too late for coffee, so there you go. I've got again with us the best barista in the world.
You're overreacting.
Alright, let's start. What do you need?
Well, I need
Yes, please tell us.
that glass.
A glass.
A glass. But we need that kind of glass, you know, that a small one.
The whiskey glass. Yes.
So,
next.
We take one. One would be enough.
No, two.
Two. One is going to be enough. Okay, two. She knows better.
I don't, but you want it strong, like the frappe we made.
We want one.
Okay, one. You can start. I'm gonna say two.
Yes.
Alright. What else do we need? What else?
Well, so we're going to put some water in the espresso machine.
Ah, yeah. You need the machine also in order for this to work. Where is it? There it is. Yes.
Yes. And then you plug it in.
Show us, please. Well done.
Okay. Then you open that. You put the
Yes.
You put the capsule.
Put it in, yes,
And you
close it, lock it.
And you press both of them.
No, you need. Yes, that's yes.
Then you take the spoon and the glass and you put some sugar in. Depends on if you want it sweet, if you want it medium sweet, or if you want it bitter.
Yes,
Is it for you, the coffee?
Medium.
So you take 1 tablespoon of preferably brown sugar.
Not table, teaspoon.
What did I say, table? No, I meant teaspoon.
Yes.
And you put it in.
Yes.
You wait for the machine to be ready. There it is, it's ready.
This is a tutorial also for Nespresso machines.
And you press that one.
Yes, tell us, please. And now you wait. This is plates here, which are clean now.
And this is the Greek version of espresso. It's a Greek invention.
This, like everything else. Oh, did you hear that? Oh.
Did you just say that out loud?
Yes, what's happening here? We see the beauty.
See the cream on top of the coffee? Look at it. It's perfect. So,
And then you press it again though.
no.
Yes, because look.
It's gonna be very... Okay. Since you want it to be strong and more,
Yes.
we're gonna put one more capsule, okay? Just for you.
Alright.
That's how you end the coffee.
Okay.
Okay, then you put one more and you press that one again. So we're gonna put 1 more teaspoon of sugar. So you want it medium sweet.
Medium, yeah?
Medium, yeah?
Chuck it in.
Chuck it. Okay, then follow me.
Ah, yes.
Follow me on Instagram as well.
No, follow me. You're on my side.
You take that one.
The vroom frappe from last year.
Last year.
Yes, you need the vroom.
Yeah.
This is different color in different colors.
The previous one was pink, wasn't it?
It was, but it's gone. It has left us. It's okay.
Where's the plug-in for the vroom?
I have taken it down.
Where is it?
There. There.
Okay.
Alright. Just take the espresso machine out.
Yeah, but I need this plug.
The adapter.
Yeah. So, you take that one.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright.
You take the spoon and you stir it up a bit, so you can melt the sugar down.
Yes. Yes.
So you take 3 ice cubes. 1, my hands are clean. 2, 3. You take the vroom.
This is the time, yes.
And you put it in and you start stirring. until you melt almost all the ice cubes. And then until you mix it up until you create that amount of foam, of froth.
Yes.
Yeah, mix it up. Okay. It's ready. Now you take another 4 or 5 ice cubes, depends on how much the glass fits now, because Cassandra made 2 portions of coffee.
It needs to be strong.
So I put 5 already.
No, that I don't want anymore, I think.
Okay. So you take it and you tap it, so you can burst all the bubbles on top, on the surface. Can you show the surface?
Oh, yes, of course.
Now you tap it, and you burst all the bubbles, so it's creamy and velvety. You take a straw.
A straw? I don't like that color.
Oh, Jesus. You want a blue one.
A blue one.
You take a blue one.
Yes, depending on the person.
And because your glass is like a small one and the straw is like a big one,
Chop it.
and there you go.
Da-da, da-da-da. But take this, please. Take it. You're ruining the moment here. And then you try it, and you see. That's the stuff. Well, thank you for being with us today.
Years of experience.
The best barista people club. Say bye now.
Bye now.
Well, wait before bye. Oh, very good.
Very good?
Very good. What coffee are we gonna do next time?
Greek coffee.
Okay.
Greek/Turkish coffee.
Or hot frappe.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay, bye.